everyone, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can disable or enable the Windows Defender, or also known as the Windows Security, in our Windows 11 or Windows 10 devices, whether it's a laptop or a PC. Okay, so let's get into it. And sometimes when we are trying to install applications or software in our device, we need to temporarily disable the Windows security. And to do that, let's just follow the few simple steps that I'm going to show you. Okay, so here in our Windows icon, please make a right click on it, and then let's go to settings options. And in here, you will see in the left pane, you will see privacy and security options. Please go click on it. And under security section, you will see the first option that says Windows security. Please go click on it. And under the protection area section, you will see virus and threat protection, account protection, firewall and network protection, app and browser control, device security, device performance and health, family options, all the options under Windows security. So here, all we need to do is just go click on the virus and threat protection, which is the first option. And once we're in this window, you will see the current threats, virus and threat protection settings, virus and threat protections, protection updates, and the ransomware protection. So all we need to do is just click on the virus and threat protection settings and click on the manage settings option. So in here, all we need to do is to again turn off the real-time protection so that the virus and threat protection settings will also be turned off, as well as the Windows security. So real-time protection locates and stops malware. Let's turn this off. And then the user account control will be up on your screen. So let's just click on yes. And when we turn off the real-time protection, it will also turn off the dev drive protection. So let's do the same with cloud delivered protection. Let's turn this off, as well as the automatic sample submission and the tamper protection. Okay, so once you're done with this, you can check if the Windows security is turned off just by clicking on this arrow here, and you will see in the shield icon that there is a red X indicator that the Windows security or Windows Defender is turned off. Okay, so I hope you learned something from this video. If you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.